If you're scared, don't watch this video. This man is riding his bike at high speed in the middle of the forest on a small dirt forest road that only professionals can ride on. He risks his whole life just to make this video. However, to be able to ride like this, he must have a special bike, because ordinary ones are really not enough for such a wild ride. As you can see, there are obstacles on the way, such as wet leaves or big cliffs that he has to get over. However, he is a professional, so he knows exactly to the last detail what to do in order not to fall and hurt himself. Subscribe.